Hey boys and girls, today for Fun Friday, I'm going to show you how to make this sheet of paper look like this. Hey boys and girls, today for Fun Friday, we're drawing a cute little elephant picture. All you need is a blank piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to start by drawing his head. I'm going to make it a circle about the size of a quarter. Next, I'm going to draw his body, and his body is going to be an oval shape. Okay, now I'm going to draw his trunk. Okay, I'm going to add a few little wrinkle lines right here onto his trunk. Now I'm going to draw his legs. His two legs that are closest to us are going to be a little bit larger, and then his legs that are on the other side, I'm going to draw them a little bit smaller because they're farther away from us. Then I'm going to add some toes. Right now I'm going to add his big floppy ears. Just try your best to make two ears that are about the same size and the same shape. Now I'm going to erase this line that I made earlier from his body because his ear is in front. There we go. Now I'm going to add two eyes. And a tail. Now my elephant kind of looks like he's just floating in space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a horizon line. That's what this line of grass that I'm drawing is going to be. I don't want to draw on top of my elephant, so I've got to make it look like the grass goes behind him. And now he's not floating in the air anymore. He's standing on the ground. Now over here in this corner, I want to draw a big spiky bush. And then on the other corner, I'm going to draw kind of like a big puddle or little area of water for my elephant to drink from. And I'm going to add some wiggly lines to make it look like the water is moving. Now I'm going to put some trees back here in the background to make the leaves. They're just going to kind of look like big palm leaves, like from a palm tree. Now I'm going to add some rings on the trunk of my tree. I'm going to add a tree on this side also. You can add more trees to your picture, but you'll just want to make sure your tree looks like it's behind the elephant. So don't draw all the way through your elephant. See how I'm doing this leaf to make it look like it's behind him? Now let's add some rings. Now I want you to take actually let's erase right here. That way his face and trunk are all together. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to take a black crayon and trace over every pencil mark you made, and then use your crayons to color. If I went too fast, you can always stop and rewind so you can watch it again. All right, now that you've finished your drawings, I'd love to see them. So make sure you post them on Hopewell's social media. Have a good weekend.